Hey y'all, it's Mark, and I just wanted to show you what I was up to. Today is January 2, Monday, the day 2023, the day we all have off because New Year's Day was on Sunday. And you can see here it's about 40 degrees. We did have a bunch of snow, all melted. I've been spending the day cleaning up, I got my pressure washer out and I've been working on that. This is my multicolored deck. Here, hold on. Yeah, this is my deck that I had a regular pressure treated deck, and it got to be about 15 years old. And of course the deck boards were all tore up, I should say, degraded, UV, sunlight, rain, etc., getting all splintered and nasty. And so what I did a few years ago is, the place I work, we sell decking, and we, I should say, have a pile, or had a pile of discontinued oddball, 16 footers that had a broken end, all that. All I needed was 12s. So I accumulated them for a few months and tore up all my deck boards and replaced it with this. And I know it's most people that see it have a positive reaction. I don't know if they're just being nice or they're really like it. I like it. I liked the price. I put a piece of decking right on top of the old railing, and then this is that 1/2-inch composite fascia board. And so anyways, there's my pressure washer down there. Cleaned up my vans too, did some of my siding, and I call this my hillbilly hot tub. It's one of these 330 gallon agricultural tanks. It's an adult sized kiddie pool. Yeah, which, by the way, in all this, it's good to know that I have a spigot that can get hot water out to the hose. So that's what I've been using, and it's all right if you're pressure washing with hot water, even though it's only 40 degrees. And also for filling up the tub thing, it's good to start with some reasonably warm water so you can use it right away in the summer. I don't use it in the spring, fall, winter. That's too much. But in the summer, use it plenty. Okay, I'll talk to you later. And yeah, this part here was like super nasty, and a lot of that is because you have grapevines. This is all shaded in the summer, so you end up with a lot of organic crud on the deck here. Although I will say, in the video you'll see it was really nasty. That is a few years worth. I don't do it every year. I should, of course, but I don't. So you can see big difference. I should have took a total before, but I had gotten part of it done before I thought I should make a video. Haven't posted a video in a while. So anyways, enjoy the video of me pressure washing this. Yeah, looking good. All washed up. There we go. And not supposed to snow for a while, so hopefully the salt can stay off them. Happy New Year!